Hello everyone, it is always a great pleasure to showcase Amazon best-selling product of the day, of the week or even of the year to you so that you can benefit from countless discounted items at an affordable price. Today, I am sharing the top 16 bestsellers items in the Amazon clothing category. Let's dig in with the first 8. Number 1. Kids Original Tee. Rated at 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 12,847. And priced from £1.86 to £6.99. Number 2. Fruit of the Loom Kids Children's Plain T-shirt. Rated at 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 9,779. And priced from £1.91 to £7.99. Number 3. Cinephant High-Waisted Leggings for Women, Buttery Soft Elastic Opaque Tummy Control Leggings, Plus Size Workout Gym Yoga Stretchy Pants. Rated at 4.3 out of 5 stars with a total review of 38,154. And priced from £10.99 to £25.99. Number 4. Dealin Boob Tape, Bob Tape for larger breasts, 7M Extra Long Roll Booby Tape with 2 pieces reusable nipple covers, adhesive bra breast lift tape for large breasts AG Cup, invisible underclothing beige. Rated at 4.3 out of 5 stars with a total review of 1,213. And priced from £13.59 to £17.99. Number 5. The Fully Invisible Adhesive Strapless Bra 2-Pack Sticky Push-Up Silicone Bra with Drawstring for Women A to E Cup. 3.4 out of 5 stars with a total review of 889. And priced at £12.99. Number 6. Fruit of the Loom Children's Kids Original Short Sleeve T-shirt. Rated at 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 2,176. And priced from £2.07 to £5.50. Number 7. Mishi Boob Tape and Nipple Cover Set, Caucasian, Invisible, Breathable Skin-Friendly Cotton and Spandex Body Tape for light support and lift with 2 pairs of reusable, pale pink silicone pasties. 3.9 out of 5 stars with a total review of 156. And priced at £11.99. Number 8. Boss Men's T-shirt, Pack of 3. Rated at 4.4 out of 5 stars with a total review of 4,846. And priced from £22.99 to £44.95. The following are ranked from 9 to 16. Number 9. Ilia Body Tape. Rated at 4.2 out of 5 stars with a total review of 1,860. It costs from £4.17 to £5.99. Number 10. Sihohan Women's Slip Shorts Comfortable Short Pants Ultra Soft Seamless Long Briefs for Underdresses Leggings and Yoga. Rated at 4.4 out of 5 stars with a total review of 5,609. It costs from £8.49 to £19.99. Number 11. Fruit of the Loom Men's Value Weight Crew Neck, Short Sleeve T-shirt, not V-neck. Rated at 4.4 out of 5 stars with a total review of 8,823. It costs from £1.99 to £9.25. Number 12. Fruit of the Loom Unisex Kids Original Crew Neck Short Sleeve T-shirt. Rated at 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 6,225. It costs from £2.10 to £6.88. Number 13. Men's Nike 3-Pair Pack White Cotton Cushioned Crew Sports Socks. Rated at 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 319. It costs from £9.75 to £20. Number 14. Fruit of the Loom Girls Value Weight T-shirt. Rated at 4.3 out of 5 stars with a total review of 4,241. It costs from £99 to £10.50. Number 15. Shapewear Shorts for Women Tummy Control Body Shaper Short Seamless Tummy Control Pants Knickers High-Waisted Shaping Underwear Thigh Slimmer. Rated at 4.3 out of 5 stars with a total review of 195. It costs from £12.99 to £20.99. Number 16. Fruit of the Loom Men's Heavy T-shirt Pack of 5. Rated at 4.5 out of 5 stars with a total review of 38,321. It costs from £9.80 to £34.95. You can access all these products by clicking the corresponding links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember, Amazon's products ranking changes every hour or two, due to rapid sales. To view in-depth review for each product, do visit the playlist of the product in the same category. Don't forget to like, Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest trending products information and offers.